Hello, my dear students! Today we have another video request.
Hello, Marina. I was noticing that you hadn't done the word fantastic yet, and so I was wondering what the origins of the word fantastic is. If you could do that, that would be fantastic.
Mr. Shannon wanted to know the origin of the word fantastic. Well, that's an easy one. Let me read you the definition from the Oxford English Dictionary. Existing only in imagination. What? I thought it meant things were great. What's going on here? Hard for Words must investigate. Fantastic comes to us from the Old French fantastique in 1387, which means existing only in imagination. And that comes from the late Latin fantasticus, meaning imaginary, which comes from the Greek word fantasticus, meaning able to imagine, which in turn comes from the Greek phantasen, which means make visible. And that comes from the Greek phantasistai, to imagine, have visions. Do you see where this is going? It's the same place where fantasy comes from. So fantastic basically meant existing only in imagination, like a fantasy. So the word basically described something as being impossible to exist, even irrational. If you said something was fantastic to someone, you'd be accusing them of being irrational. It remained that way until around 1938, when people started using the word fantastic to describe something excellent, good beyond expectation, almost something so good it could almost only exist in a fantasy. And the word became a good thing where it stands today. There you go, another mystery solved by your trusty Hot for Words. For your homework, sticking to the original meaning of the word, do you have any fantasies? If so, please write them in the comments below. My fantasy is to be able to fly like a Superman. I'll see you all very soon. And by the way, if you'd like to request a word, please go to my website, hotforwords.com, and please request the word there. Bye-bye, my students. Be good. Please subscribe.